Well, good morning. Coming to you live from the farm today. I'm sitting here with Minnie and Xander, who are going to help me out. I noticed that my morning glories are not actually flowering anymore, so let's go over and take a peek. I come out this morning and I don't see any flowers, and I think, oh my goodness, what is happening? But I'll show you. So I've actually let all of these seed pods form, and as much fun as that is, because you're going to end up with a ton of new plants. It's too early in the season for that. So what I'm going to do is trim off every single one of these seed pods. I'm probably just going to throw the seeds down there. Again, it's okay. I can weed that out a little bit, but honestly, this I find is really good at weeding itself out. So the plants don't live very long. Some of the plants live a while, some of them don't. It kind of lets nature decide, I'd say. So, without further ado, let's get cracking. Oh, and by the way, look at this one. We do have a flower, but there's only one, so what am I gonna do? Alright, guys, so we've got. I'm gonna start just clipping these off here. Um, just kind of show you what they look like. Whoop. There you go. My fingernails are going to be dirty because I've been working in the garden. So what you can do with these, actually, start, when they actually get browned out like this, usually you can just kind of pop them in your hand like that, and you have a whole bunch of seeds that pop out. And if you're not careful, they will go everywhere. But there you go, guys. It's kind of what the seeds look like. Let me just move the camera here a little bit and show you guys a better angle. There you go. Awesome. So yeah, I'm just going to continue along there and trim off all of these. Like I said, just throw the seeds in there, but um, the rest of these things, like this, there you go. I'm just going to throw those out in the grass because they're just going to compost themselves, mulch themselves back into the yard and stuff. But remember, it is super important to make sure that all of the seeds are off them before you do that if you throw them back in the yard. Otherwise, you're going to end up with morning glories everywhere, unless you want that. And I mean, there's nothing wrong with that at all. But it's not always desired. So anyways, this is what I'm going to do. Just going to trim all these off here. And then when they're all done, give it a little bit of fertilizer and some water. And then probably within the next few days, like this is a really quick acting plant, then you're going to see flowers pop up all over the place again, but in the morning. So you want to make sure that you look in the morning. So there's so many plants in here. Oh my goodness. You can definitely say it's a happy plant, but like I said, see that it kind of chooses which plant to live and die and stuff. So yeah. Anyways, guys. Alright guys, so one thing that I did as well is I tried to untangle some of these because they become so tangled up within each other. There's only so much I can do. I mean, you can't untangle them completely. But I thought, well, if I can untangle them just a little bit, then I think that's going to help them out as well. So you untangle them and then you just kind of re-wrap them back through. This lattice, believe it or not, is just, let me see, 3 different pieces of lattice that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then I zip tied them together with zip ties from the Dollar Tree. $4 in total investment. I mean, now I think it's $1.25 each, so $5. But that's not bad. Awesome. So yeah, now what I'm doing is I'm just rewrapping all the ones that I just loosened up a little bit. Again, there's only so much you can do. You can't sit there and untangle the entire thing because it's just not going to work. Like this part, there's no way I can untangle that, but that's okay. We just kind of gently, and I can't emphasize that word enough, gently, tuck it back in just a little bit there, and you know, I think it's going to be okay. So there we go. Awesome. Let me just grab the fertilizer and some water and it should be golden. Just want to show you guys as well. Beautiful sunrise coming up. Cool. All right, so this is the Miracle Grow that I'm going to be using here. You don't need a whole ton of it. Actually, I'm probably not even going to measure it. I'm just going to put a little bit inside here. I almost feel like with this stuff, it's okay to even give it a little more than it needs. I'd say that's about it. I don't need much more than that one. All right, I'm just going to give it just a little bit of water here. And a little bit there for that guy too. Awesome, guys. There we go. All right, guys. So that's it from the garden this morning. Xander and I. He's a happy boy. He did a good job helping me out today, didn't you? You're such a good boy. Awesome, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, share with your friends. We're going to see you in the next video. All right, guys. Love you lots. Have a good day.